This is for a product that I am really excited about. Hey, how you going, guys? Welcome back to Hearns TV. It's me again, Dan, and we're doing a promo video today, so no unboxing, but this is for a product that I am really excited about, and so are a lot of our customers because it does quite well in the store, and the product is Sluban. And we've got Cameron here from Belta Brands, takes care of Sluban in Australia, and he's going to tell us all about this fantastic product. Thanks for coming in, mate.
Thanks, Dan. Thanks for having me. Yes, we've had Sluban for about 10 years, and the brand has grown into being quite a competitive and good brand where it's compatible with other leading brands. We're very, very strong in the military range, and we've got some models that we've made up here for you to see. First of all, we've got the Titanic back here. Now this one is a scale 1 to 350, and it's 2,401 pieces. It is a great build, great model. We've got other military items on the table here, and we'll just show you a few of them here. The tanks, turrets move, comes with minifigures as well. They're very good range. We've got some aircraft as well. That's the MiG fighter. So very, very good. Here's one of the boxes we've got of the white tank. So as you can see, there's a legacy sticker up here. We donate 1% of the wholesale sales to legacy for all military items. Also, with the items that are non-military, we donate 1% of our wholesale sales to the Kids with Cancer Foundation. They're both great charities, and we'll hope you support us in supporting them. We've got a little flyer in each of the boxes just informing you, the customers, about what we do with those charities. Dan, would you want to go through anything now? Do you want to show that white tank there?
Yes, actually I'd love to. Like, as you can see on the box, guys, like looking to be a T-34. So, yeah, there it is there. Now, what I love is tracks and wheels move, guns traversable, turrets move, and it's just so true to form. All of the details, like, I know a lot of you guys that watch this channel, they expect me to do military model unboxings, but the authenticity, the effort, or should I say, that they've gone to make it authentic is excellent. It is very, very impressive, and it's not just with that one as well. I'll hold up another one here. Once again, so true to form. Movable tracks, movable turret, comes with figures, all of the firing ports and the details for the engine. Excellent. I'm a big fan of Sluban, which is why we're doing this today. A lot of people seem to be a big fan of Sluban because it does quite well in the store. But yeah, as well as the military stuff that is quite popular, you guys have got a bit of a vast range.
Yeah, we've got space. Space is a good one. We also have a really good girls range as well. We've got little mini pullback cars that have been very, very popular as well. So if you haven't tried it, give it a go, and if you have tried it, try a few more models. There's new ones coming out all the time. The current range is what we've got at the moment up until Christmas, and then we'll have another new batch coming in February as well. And there will be remote control ones coming next year as well, which will be absolutely fantastic, and can't wait to get those in. Yes.
So guys, these make fantastic Christmas presents. Clearly there'd be some very happy young blokes opening presents on Christmas morning and fighting these. Sluban's a fantastic brand. Make sure you stay tuned with Hearns Hobbies social media links so that we can keep you up to date on all of the new stuff with Sluban. Check out their website as well and have a look at their full range. And yeah, once again, guys, thanks for tuning in. Love making these videos. Cameron, thanks very much for coming in today, mate. It's a pleasure to have you. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope to see you in the store sometime soon. And as always, rock and roll. Cheers.